In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Steam downloads or updates failed. First, open the Steam app. Now click on the Steam at the top left corner and select Settings. From here, go to Downloads tab and make sure download region is set to a server close to your current location. Next, go to Storage tab, click on the three dots next to the Steam library and select Repair Library. Let Steam scan and repair any issues it finds. After that, return to Download section. Turn off Throttle Download while streaming, then click Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action, sign back into your Steam and check if the download works. If the problem continues, check your firewall settings. Open Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Then select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings and make sure Steam is allowed on both private and public network. If Steam isn't listed, click Allow another app, browse to Steam installation folder, select steam.exe, add it and enable both network types. You can also clear your network cache. Search for command prompt, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Type the following command and press Enter. You want to type ipconfig /flush DNS and press Enter. If none of these fixes work, then you can simply reinstall Steam and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.